sorry ass DJ.
Welcome back to my vlog, and pasensya na for the last post. Hindi ko masyadong napakita how to put the LED strip light. But now I'm going to show you what I did on my scooter to make it look better. And ito po yung, this is the upgrades or the accessories I put on my scooter. Or this is the things I put on my scooter. This one for brake, rubber, I don't know. And I changed this one. Bar extender for lights, or if you want to put extra horn. Cell phone holder. Oh, for your bags and helmets. I put some stickers and wire protector. And this one, cell phone holder, but it's a light also, LED strip light. It works at night. This one, and this bag. This is actually for bicycles. You can buy this in Amazon or Noon, and you can put your battery for your LED strip lights. Just search bicycle bag and you will find this kind of bag. And this is my power bank for the LED strip light. And the wire extender or adapter. This is the adapter. This is like a adapter for the LED strip light. And I put this thing from GR. This acrylic. And this is for the mountain bike fender. It's easy to put this one. And I also put 3D printed light holder, tail light holder. This is a tail light. It's actually a reflector for the cars, and I put it here. And this one, partner for the brake rubber protector. I don't know what it's called. And that's pretty much all. This one, I also put this like a bumper strip. We call it bumper strip. Actually, my fender got broken in time, and it become loose thread, the thingy for like the screws. The support for it become loose thread. So what I did is this. I replaced the screws with longer screws, like this one, because it cannot work without this. But it's moving a bit. You need a mudguard support for this. But this works fine for now. Alright. Now I'm gonna teach you how to put the LED strip light. How I put it on my scooter. Many of you are asking how I insert the LED strip light at the back and put it around. So I'm gonna show it to you now. Putting my LED strip light from here. Wait. This is where, this is the adapter. Sorry, there's a fur of my cat. This is the adapter. It comes with the LED strip light when you buy online. Just choose LED strip light with USB adapter. So it will have this, and there's a remote controller. So I started with this. I started putting this and this thing to hold it. This is where the LED strip light starts. And then, sorry, it's dirty because it was raining for the past days. So I put it, I stick it with 3M sticker, and I enhance it with a super glue. So I stick it there. You can choose if you want to stick it like this or on top so the light will go down. But I choose this one because it's easier for me to do it. And I put it around. This is the brake. And I put it on top of the brake. And I put it there. And I insert it here. Here, because it doesn't look nice if you insert it under. So I go over there. I insert it all the way inside like this, and then I insert it up again to the other side. I insert it here and went down here, go around this one, and then when I reach here, there's extra. So sorry, it's so dirty. I went all the way down and put it straight under. Yes. So there's extra, so after turning it one round, I put it all the way down here. I stick it with a super glue all the way there, and that's the end. This is the battery box. For the LED strip light, you can use any power bank. It doesn't need to be 12 volts or anything. You can use phone power bank, and I'm using Samsung 10,000 mAh, and it lasts for 7 days. It's good. So that's how I put my LED strip light. Again, from here around and on top of it, under, and then on top, around, and all the way under the scooter. So that's pretty much what I did on my scooter, and it looks like this. And for anyone who's asking where I bought my LED strip light, I bought it from noon.com. It's 1.5 m or meters, and it's exactly the whole round plus under. Not too much. 2 meters is fine, but you have to work around it under the scooter so it will fit, or you don't have to cut it. And you should buy LED strip light with remote control, so it will come with USB adapter. And this is where I keep my remote control. You can choose what color you like. And for this one, just search bicycle phone holder or bicycle bag, and you will have some. You can put your tools here in case you need it. It's just there. I hope you like my vlog, and I hope it gives you some information about how to put designs on your scooter. You can do this to any kind of scooter. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow me, and click the bell button so you can be updated for new videos.
You can get some.